What we use is usually be a 30 millimeter, but we got an 1 3/16, which is a 30 millimeter, to take off the lugs right here, and to take off the rotor bolts, 4 rotor bolts, the holes into the caliper. This is the spindle. I'm repainting it, and we use a T60 to take the wheel cylinder in. We put the wheels, T60s are back there behind the wheel cylinder. We seated that. What we're gonna do is get us a brand new spindle nut, paint the calipers. We're gonna sand this down with a file a little bit, don't look too bad, and get us a brand new tensioner bolt.